Hello, my art viewers. Welcome back to my channel. You are seeing the art of inside impressions, and this is artist Bhavna. So today I'm back with a special video, and this is short and sweet video, and it is so helpful video. And today we are going to deal with this netted cloth, that means netted fabric texture, and I couldn't find any video on internet, so to help you people I'm here with this super duper video. Okay, so first we used 2B grade pencil and we are just blending using the clean blending stump. Okay, make sure it is clean and perfect to blend. So once you're done with blending, we are using the sharp, that means really sharp enough pencil eraser of Kohinoor brand. Okay, so using that, if you find any white highlights on your fabric, you can see on the uppermost region, right? So that border I'm giving. Okay, so this is super good and satisfying process, so just watch the complete video. Okay, and then we are just using 2B grade of Staedtler brand pencil, and we are just giving the cross hatching lines, or you can also go for circular motions, and we are just blending outside of the region, that means which you can't see any design or anything. So the plain cloth where you can see these boxes on the uppermost part, right? So that boxes we are going to create now, and this is just I added it. Okay, so I'm just blending it again using the paper stamp. So make sure it is even and smooth, because here the netted fabric should be like same all over, but netted fabric, right? So when you find like eye or something region below it, some parts will be dark and some parts will be light. Okay, so here again we are using super good sharp enough pencil eraser, and we are giving the lines. So I'm providing these lines very close to each other, but don't overlap the lines, because the design will be completely lost, and make sure you are not breathing while doing this process. Okay, so if you breathe, your lines will be overlapping, so make sure you are not at all breathing. And once you're done with the checks boxes, I'm just adding the third directional lines, so top down, and I'm adding from the right side. So I'm only using 3 directions to draw this. Okay, so I tried different types of techniques to fulfill the perfect net cloth, but I didn't get any success from last 2 methods. So I tried this method and I really fell love in this using this technique. So do try this, and you can see, right, the big and thicker lines again I'm providing using the same Kohinoor brand pencil. Here we used 2B of Staedtler brand Kohinoor pencil eraser, and we are using blending stump. Only the 3 tools you require to make this beautiful fabric. Okay, so yeah, so once you are done with these lines, make sure you're providing little here and there shadows of these lines. So this is most essential process, so please don't skip this. Okay, so I hope you are really enjoying, and this is so satisfying, right? So when you draw the darkest region, and when you draw these lines using pencil eraser, that will be like most satisfying process for me. So here we are just filling the reverse C shape texture on my cloth, and I'm using pencil eraser only. As I already said, I'm using only 3 tools for making this complete process. So this is filling with all lines. So the corner of the this shape design will be dark, and you can see, right, on my upper design is looking like corner of this design is dark, whereas the starting of the design is light. So according to my reference image I'm doing. And this is an initial idea to make the fabric look fabulous. So do give a try and let me know how this helped you, and did you enjoy this video? So please let me know in the comment section. And this is artist Bhavna signing off for today. So whatever outlines we are doing, just do and just blend using blending stump so that you can create the blurry look. So we don't require any sharp look in this texture. So this is all about today, and you are seeing the art of inside impressions, and this is artist Bhavna signing off for today. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy, and happy learning. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video will help you. So bye bye, take care. And one final tip is, when you find this dark spots, you can just use kneaded eraser and dab on it.